Okay, so here we go. We're at a meeting here. We're looking at the streaming on this Chromebook, and after several steps, we were really able to successfully get the drive connected to the app stream here. And here's this file ready to be opened and edited in Photoshop. And here is this file working locally off the Mac. So here it is. I'm just going to zoom in. This is the Mac screen. Okay. And this is the Chromebook screen right there. So there we go. There's the two different files side by side. And so what I want to do with this picture, I want to clone stamp out these kids in the background and make this just sort of like this gorgeous girl emerging from the water. So clone stamp would be probably a pretty basic option here. So I've got this clone stamp right here. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to unlock the background layer. Click OK. And here's my, I'm going to make the brush a little bit bigger. I'm just using little hotkeys to do that. And click. I'm trying to hold the phone at the same time. Okay, and now I'm just gonna kind of paint this in, and I thought this would be a little bit more. So oops, I gotta just go hit undo. It's probably better if I come in here and I do multiple option clicks, just so it's not too visually similar, especially because it's the
yeah, like you expect.
Okay. And I'm going to come over here and option. Click again. Rid of this one kiddo, and then I feel pretty confident that I can get rid of the other. So now I'm going to try to do the same thing over here. And on this, it's an Alt. Click. Actually, I'm going to come over here. Here we go to the clone stamp tool. Okay. And I'm going to come over here. I'm going to make my brush a little bit bigger. Kind of disappear. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and do Alt click. And this menu pops up, which I didn't see on the other one. But that's okay. Oh, here we go. Could not use the clone stamp. Okay. All right. Well, let's check my layer. I'm on the right layer. The layer's unlocked. All the same. Right here, current layer, current layer, current layer. Let's see here, current layer, assign, flow, normal. Okay. So I noticed that there's some brushes situation. That's what the meeting was about today. So I'm going to go ahead and Alt click again, and this time I'm going to just select this brush because maybe that'll help here, and I'm going to go try to clone. Oh, there it is again. Okay.